Okay, our next book is the standard textbook for information retrieval. Information Retrieval by Christopher Manning, Prohaka Ragavan, and Hinrich Schütze.
Often called IIR, another foundational text.
It covers all those core concepts like Boolean search, vector space models, indexing strategies, evaluation metrics like precision, and recall the science of finding information within large collections of documents.
And this raises a really important question right now. Why is classic information retrieval, IR, still so critical in the age of large language models, LLMs? Haven't LLMs solved search?
Yeah, that's what you hear. Just talk to the AI.
Well, the most powerful and crucially the most reliable AI search systems being built today actually use a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RA.
Raggy. Okay, what's that?
It's a hybrid approach. First, a classic IR system using principles from this book retrieves a set of potentially relevant documents from a knowledge base, which could be the web or internal company docs. Then, the LLM uses those retrieved documents as context to generate a coherent, informative answer. The IR part finds the facts, the LLM part synthesizes them into language.
Ah, okay. So the LLM doesn't do the searching itself.
Not in real time against specific document sets, generally no. This book provides the foundational knowledge for the critical retrieval part of RAG. The quality of the LLM's final answer depends entirely on the quality and relevance of the documents retrieved by the IR system first.
Garbage in, garbage out, basically.
Exactly. If the retrieval step fails, if it pulls irrelevant documents or misses the key ones, the LLM will either hallucinate an answer based on its generic training data, or it will simply say, I don't know, even if the information exists somewhere. Concepts from the book like term weighting, TF-IDF, vector similarity, cosine similarity, indexing, they are all core to making that retrieval step effective.
So that common myth, LLMs make classic search obsolete, you can just talk to the data now, that fundamentally misunderstands how these powerful generative AI search systems actually work under the hood, doesn't it?
It completely misunderstands it. LLMs don't search effectively in real time across vast, arbitrary data sets. They generate text based on their massive but potentially outdated training data, or they simply lack knowledge of private, proprietary data.
Right.
Our RAG is the dominant solution for bridging that gap, for grounding LLMs in specific, up-to-date, or private information. And our RAG explicitly relies on classic IR principles. This book describes the enabling technology for making LLMs truly useful and trustworthy in real-world search and question-answering applications.
So how does this apply day to day for an engineer working on, say, an AI chatbot?
Okay, imagine you're improving your RAG-based chatbot that keeps giving irrelevant or nonsensical answers. Your first instinct shouldn't be just to blame the LLM.
Debug the retrieval first.
Exactly. You first debug the retrieval component using IR principles. Are the right documents even being pulled for the LLM to use? You might analyze the queries, the indexing, the similarity metrics. Maybe you realize your system relies only on semantic vector search, which is great for conceptual similarity, but bad for specific keywords. Remembering the IIR book, you might implement a hybrid search approach, combining semantic search with traditional keyword search like BM25 for better overall relevance.
Best of both worlds.
Right. For ambiguous user queries, you might apply query expansion techniques, maybe even using the LLM itself to generate alternate phrasings of the user's question to improve the initial search. And critically, you'd use formal evaluation metrics from the book, like precision, recall, and F1 score, to systematically measure whether your changes are actually improving the retrieval quality.
As nearly every company seems to be building AI-powered search or Q&A features now.
It's a huge trend.
There's a massive demand for engineers who understand how to do it well. A deep understanding of information retrieval is the key differentiator.
It really is.
You can build state-of-the-art R8 systems, troubleshoot those complex AI search failures effectively, and lead the way in generative AI search applications. While many engineers can call an LLM API, you, mastering IR principles, can build the robust and reliable retrieval systems that make those LLMs truly powerful and useful.
That's a highly valuable skill right now.